How to make a private server in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create a private server in Roblox. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. First of all, open up your Roblox. You can basically head over to roblox.com and hit enter, and there we go. So first you will need to find the game in which you want to create a private server in. So it's really easy. Select a game. So if I choose this game, now keep in mind that not all games have the option to create a private server. So here you can see creating private server for this game is free, and you can start creating it as well. So it's really simple. All you have to do is find a game where you want to create it. So let me search for another one. So let's search for another game here. So I'll go ahead and please donate. And here you can see creating a private server here costs 25 Robux. Here there should be a create a server option, but it's missing in mine for some reason. So yeah, due to regional issues, it might be missing on yours as well. But if you do see a create private server option, you can click on it and then name a server. After you name a server, you will then have to pay the listed price, and after you've paid for the listed price, you can then start playing on your private server. And it's that simple, guys, and that is basically it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.